What a bunch of stupid weather. Look at the snow coming in the door. Can't take this thing for a rip anymore. So we got our 2007 Matrix out of the field. In the garage defrosting. It's kind of had a snowstorm while we were getting everything ready this afternoon, and ended up pulling this in after dark. So it's pretty frosty. Had to tow it out of the field with the truck and put a tire between the front bumper and the rear bumper of this and just pushed her inside. So it's got a pretty clean body on it. This is the XR model 4-wheel drive. Should be fun. But it's got a blown transmission. So I'm going to be pulling the wheels off, getting the transmission out, and we're going to go to Wreckers, grab a new one tomorrow. So let's get started. There we go. Looks like you guys need some water. Hi, Brandine. Sadie. Woodstock. Hang on, hang on. Sprinkle it on your breakfast. There we go. Enjoy. To take a quick look at our track conditions. Well, our track's looking not bad. It's pretty warm today. It's above freezing, so I don't want to drive on it yet. Over there is all swamp, and then that direction is all hard ground, but it's pretty bumpy. So I think what we're gonna do is go fill some buckets up with water, some big drums, and make it a ice track. Try and smooth it out a bit, but we'll have to do that when it's more freezing weather.